finally came in. I think I may need my smelling salts. Nate has to zip me up. Thank you, Nate. Ah! Look at this piece. Look at the belt. Look at the workmanship in this thing. So let me tell you the story. The first time I saw it and lost it was a current affair, the online vintage show. After I lost it, I needed to go to bed for a while. This needs a block heel. Right? Oh my God. I look like I'm pixelating. And I don't have to call AT&T. I need a pink lip. Good lip, right? I'll list it. And the hair had to go up. Look at this final neck. Look how it goes up into the neckline and then down into the décolleté. Anyways, I'm very lucky that Sentry Girl told me the kit had it listed. We need a high button earring. So because there's so much going up, if we do something dangle, like this baby, no, it looks like I should be singing I Got You, Babe. This is starting to work. This dress is late 60s, and this earring is more 80s. I think the eagle may have landed. Yes, she did. No bracelets required. Any one of these babies will work, because even though they're quite large and colorful, they're very simple. Decisions. The only place I have to go is CVS. Maybe the green. In terms of the bag, let's see. White wicker? No, too casual. New magazine bags? No, different era. I think this vintage Judith Lieber, right? Clean, chic. You know why? It's the structure of the diamante against the pixels. I seriously have nowhere to go. But that's okay. She was inspired. You know who else was inspired? Moschino. 2022. This is what I am saying. Fashion is cyclical. It always comes back. All it takes is a little spark of something. So open your eyes and spark that bonfire. See ya!